Noah's gonna fly it.
Oh, he's flying it.
Yeah.
Let's go.
Try not to throw.
Oh, please don't.
Oh, there's one thing you need to know then. I don't use any detent in my throttle. So don't let go of the stick. Because if you hold it like this, it will fall down. Someone has done that.
Can you show how loose that is again? Wow.
So there is absolutely no positive reason to do that other than I had a cheaper radio when I was starting out.
Okay.
And I was trying to get into F3C. Then I did that F3C before 3D.
Got you.
And it was a little sticky. So for F3C hovering in the wind.
Took it, yeah.
And now every time I fly with a sticky throttle, I feel like it's a mental thing.
Got
like
you.
A mental block.
That's how you learn. So hey, there he goes.
So I usually never let other people fly my helicopters.
Yeah, I've never seen anyone ever fly your helicopter.
Usually that doesn't become a problem, but when you hand it to somebody else and they let go of the stick and the stick falls down.
Tell us your full name.
Noah Sommer.
Noah Sommer. He's flying the.
Where's he from?
Where's you from?
Pembroke Pines, Florida. This is my home field.
Hey. All right.
He's an XLPower team pilot.
Oh, is he? Nice. XLPower.
Team rep.
Team rep flying the NIMBUS 550 on Nick Maxwell's radio.
Or 2350.
My throttle is soft, but not that soft. Wow.
Helidirect!